picture. All right, so last time we did this problem for the daily grade where you had to write a story to go with this equation. And in fact, the recommendation was that you would solve the equation first before you write the story. So, right here on this worksheet, we have the same equation. Here are some stories that were written by a previous 2203 class, and we want to know if these stories are an exact match for that equation. Well, let's do what I suggested last time. Solve this equation first. So I'm going to put that right here in this corner. 3x minus 5 equals 13. So to solve this equation, you're going to add 5 to both sides, and I'll have 3x equals 18, and x is going to equal 6. So the story that you write, when it says find blah, 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 whatever you're looking for, whatever's in the story, the answer should be 6 when you work your story out. So let's see what some of these problems are. So the first one, there are 3 families visiting my home for Easter. So in the equation, what would the 3 represent in the equation? Well, families. And in the equation, what number? Probably the 3 times x. So there are 3 families visiting my house for Easter. Each family has the same amount of people in them. After 5 people leave for work, so what does 5 represent? The minus 5. There are now 13 people in my house. But that's not a very good sentence. That's not a very good 2 sentences. Did y'all see that? Okay. Sometimes when you're writing problems like that, you're going to have mistakes like that because you're writing them, you're turning them in within a few minutes. But anyway, let's see. After dinner, 5 people leave for... No, those are good sentences. I was reading them wrong. After dinner, 5 people leave for work. There are now 13 people in my house. How many people are in each family? So, in this case, I would say, here's the question. Let x represent the number of people in each family. Let x be the number of people in each family. If you write an equation, are you going to get this exact equation? They said 3 families, so that would be 3 times x. After 5 people leave for work, then there are 13 people in my house. So that one looks like it is an exact match. So yes, I'll put yes on that one.